Hi everyone, welcome to Snaptrex. I'm Jen and today we'll be unboxing our new Adventure Kings Big Daddy Deluxe Swag that we got from 4WD Supacentre. So let's go. So when we open the box, we're greeted with the lovely black bag. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so this is how it comes in the box. Got some straps on it. Haven't seen any manuals or anything yet, so I'm guessing it's all inside. Now we unroll it and we find our holes and our pegs and our swag. Let's have a look. We keep unrolling it. We get our mattress, which comes in a very nice little bag. So we've just unrolled our Big Daddy Deluxe Swag a little bit more since we ran out of space on the table. And inside we did find our big canvas bag, which it looks like everything should pack up into really easily. Also what we've discovered is inside our cute little peg bag was the instruction manual. It also comes with some extra cloth bits for repairs, which is nice. Hopefully we won't need them. But when we open up our manual, it does say make sure that you let the mattress expand for 24 hours before you use it. So along with that, you do need to season the swag. And to do so, it wants you to saturate it with the garden hose for at least 5 minutes. Obviously that allows the canvas to get used to the water and make it completely waterproof for you when you go take it out camping.